Okay, I hope you enjoy all the learning and all the lessons of Microsoft Word training in here. So this is the home start or start page of Microsoft Word. When you open first, it comes with this page. Okay, and there's any weird page. It only comes with this page. It is in two part. Okay, it is in two part. Number one way, it is this part. Okay, that shows the menu for you. And the other part is this part that whenever you go to the menu, so this changes. And that's really great, okay, that we know that the Microsoft Word is designed professionally for us, and we can do and we can have most out of it. And we can enjoy and save our time and do great work, templates, and documents with it. Okay, so let's start with the home. Whenever this is a home big button, home, it shows that your recent work and your recent document. And here you can see it says good afternoon. It means it shows you what time you're working with it, okay? So for me, it's afternoon recording, so it says good afternoon. And down in here, we have two type of documents. One is blank. If you go blank, so it's blank, there's nothing else in it. Another is template. And template is they are preset documents that you have, and it saves you a lot of time. And when you open it, you don't need to edit the whole. You just type and fill the little labels there or little text box there. So it saves you a lot of time, okay? It don't need to be, it's a preset document anyway. And if you want more templates, so you go to more templates. So you can see I have more templates even. But if you are connected to the internet, you'll have even more templates on the internet because it uses that document. So let's go back to home. So that's the blank document and template. Down in here, we have recent and paint. In recent, it shows your recent document. When you save or open a document, it shows the document that you recently opened. For me, it opened that 6 minutes ago. I opened a document. It says title. You opened a document called title. And if I wanted more, so I can hit more documents. For me, it only shows one because I only open one. And if you paint it, so there you go. If I paint it, this will be paint, and it'll be always here, and it'll be always in the paint the document as well. The next option we have is new. New is only for new documents and for new blank templates. When you click on new, you have two things, okay, to show up in here. One is blank document. If I open it, it'll be completely blank. As you can see, it's very blank and there's nothing in it. And it's just white paper. So that's it. That's about the Word template, blank template. But we have other extra as well, like we have templates in here. For example, the essential letter. If I open it, so it's preset and there's nothing to worry about it. I only need to type on the text box or in these things to use it really. So it saves me a lot of time. Even it types your author name if you really did that while installing Microsoft Word. So this is a very super important thing of new document blank, and we can have in Microsoft Word. Okay, so you can use more of your time with the templates and then make them ready to save your own time and to really look nice in the document. But if you wanted more documents, so you can have more document. If I go online templates, I'll have lots of online templates, and I'll be able to as well search the templates I wanted to. I'm not gonna go through each templates in here, okay, and waste your time. So as long as you know that you can have online templates, even if you connect to the internet online, you'll have even more. And if you don't, you have these things and you can do your work, that's fine.